today let's start with chapter number 9, light. So, sun, it is the main source of light during daytime. It gives us heat and light. We work, play, and do our day-to-day activities in the presence of sunlight. When the sun sets in the evening, it becomes dark and we cannot see things in the dark. So, what we use? We use artificial source of light like bulb, candle, tube lights, lamps, torches to see things in the dark. What are the different sources? Like study about the sources. All the object that gives us light, they are called sources of light, like sun, bulb, torch, candle. Right? We have two types of object, luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous object, one which emits lights on their own, तो luminous object हो गए है sun. Non-luminous जो अपनी light emit नहीं कर सकते, like moon. It shines with the light of sun. Now, how does light travel? You must see water flowing in the river and stream. It does not flow in the straight line. It does not flow straight in a line. It keeps on changing the direction according to the curves. But lights cannot bend like this. It travel in a straight line. When we switch on a light bulb in a dark room, we see light at once. It takes little time to reach it to our eyes. This time period is so small that we cannot measure. The rays of sun take about 8 minutes. 8 पे पहुंचने के लिए वो कितने मिनट लेता है? 8 मिनट. What is reflection? Process of bouncing back of light when it falls on the object. Now, opaque and transparent. Opaque object क्या होते हैं? जो light को बिल्कुल भी allow नहीं करते, मतलब वो pass नहीं होने देते. We cannot do because some light do not allow, some things do not allow light to pass through them. Like book, stone and wood. What is your transparent? जो allow करते हैं light rays to pass through them, we can see through these objects. इन्हें हम transparent कहते हैं. Like glass, clear polybags. There are certain objects which allow only little amount of light to pass. We can see easily through that. They are translucent. मतलब कुछ light pass कर सकते हैं. Butter paper हो गया आपका, polybag. What is shadow? Shadow are formed when the path of light is blocked. कब form होती है? जब path जो है light का वो block हो जाता है किसी चीज से. So opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them and hence they form shadow. Shadows होती है वो हमेशा opposite side of the light पड़ती है. और as shadows are long in the morning and evening because slanting rays of the sun. और वो short हो जाती है noon में और जब sun क्या होता है आपके overhead होता है. Our shadow moves with us. और हमारी जो shadow है वो हमारे साथ क्या करती है? Move करती है. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to the exercise. Pick the correct option. Light travel in a dashed line. किसमें travel करती है? Straight line में. It is not a source of light. Planets. Light does not pass through dash objects, opaque objects. Dash is the main source of light, your sun. Dash is non-luminous object, moon. Right? Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is the process of bouncing back the light. Reflection. We can see through dash object, transparent. We can easily see through dash object, translucent. Our shadow are dash in the morning, longer. Shadows are formed when the dash of light blocked. Abstraction of. Now name them. Two natural sources of light. Bouncing back of light. Reflection. It is formed when the light is blocked. क्या फॉर्म होती है? शेडो. मैन मेड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, बल्ब. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is shadows are short in the morning. False. Longer होती है. Non-luminous objects do not give light. It's true. Shadows are colorful. False. Planet are the natural source of light. False. Light travel in a straight line. True. Right? Now match the following. Sun, main source of light. Moon, non-luminous object. Light travel in the straight line. Right? Thin, rays क्या होते हैं? Thin beam. और wood क्या है आपका? Opaque object. Right? Now answer the following question. How is sun useful to us? It gives us light and heat. How are shadow formed when an object, when the light is blocked by an object, it forms shadow. You have to differentiate between transparent and opaque. Transparent जिससे light pass करती है और opaque जो light pass होने नहीं देता. You can write the example over here. What are CFL and differentiate between luminous and non-luminous. ठीक है? Luminous जो जिनकी अपनी light होती है, non-luminous जिनकी अपनी light नहीं होती. Identify and write L for luminous and NL for non-luminous. Sun, luminous. Candle, non-luminous. Bulb, luminous. Torch, luminous. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.